In today's show environment, it's all about time and money. And I'm pretty sure you're all familiar with the following situation. You want to achieve stunning looks and visual effects, but you also don't want to spend a lot of time on it. With the Mac Quantum Profile, Martin Professional gives you internal effects macros that help you achieve this goal. Let's have a look at them. The internal effect macros of the Mac Quantum Profile are available in the extended DMX mode. This gives you 5 additional channels dedicated to the internal effects control. 2 channels for effect selection, 2 channels for effect outline and speed control, and a 5th channel for offset, synchronization, and randomization. The effects are grouped into parameters like dimming, strobing, color, gobomorphing, and last but not least, the patented Animotion Effects system. We're gonna start looking at the dimmers. As you can see on the split screen, the name of the effect is Wave. We have a slow speed selected and the fixtures are in sync. We can randomize these effects and we can apply different speeds to them. There's different dimmer chases available: waves, steps, pulses, and also strobes. Some special dimming effects are combined with color, like this one called Electric Arc, that gives you a UV-ish outline on top of the white pulsing. Welding does something similar, using a light lavender to enhance the welding experience. Next up is the patented Animotion System, starting up with the stop motion effect that gives you the opportunity to animate gobos and projection as well as mid-air with 3D-ish looking effects. Depending on gobo choice, color choice, and speed, you can have anything from jitters and rough effects to nice and smooth outlines. Note that the effect works both in projection as well as in mid-air. Next up is the color section, starting up with rainbow waves using the internal CMY color system. You can obviously apply different speeds and also randomize these color effects. Color steps are available as well. You can have RGB waves, steps, CMY waves, and steps as well. A very nice one is the mix to white wave, where any selected color from the CMY mixing is dipped to white, an effect that is usually rather hard to program, and this is done within just selecting any specific CMY color, and the effect is pushing that to white. On top of that, there is effects for the static color wheel as well, like this one, giving the famous red, white, and blue effect from the static color wheel. This effect is available in various variants, fading, snapping, and you can alternate the speed and randomization as you wish to do it. Full color bumps are available as well, just like half split colors directly from the static color wheel. Just like a gobo shaker, we offer a color shaker around any selected color from the static color wheel. A special color effects is using CMY to simulate water, ice, as well as fire. Going into the beam selection of the effects, we have iris waves and pulses, as well as zoom effects. A combined iris and prism chase, which brings us over to the so-called morphing effects that use the static and the rotating gobo wheel on top of each other. Now we're gonna push through various examples that use some CMY mixing and morphing effects with the two gobo wheels. Using these morphing effects, some parameters are locked, others, like zoom, focus, and color, will still be able to manipulate it depending on your favorite choice. Flying bananas obviously needs to come in yellow. Another effect macro uses gobo rotation to give you a little spider twist. You can enhance these effects obviously with split colors from the static color wheel or your favorite CMY mixed color. Note that alternating the focus between these effects gives you a whole different look. The gobo twist effect can be used to simulate a bad stepper motor. Some of these effects also use zoom and focus tracking. At the end of this tutorial, I'll show you examples of how to combine various effects on top of each other. This one is using the stop motion effect from the animation effects and the fire effects from the CMY chase effects, with alternating the different speed levels and randomizing these effects. You can have a nice fire or lava projection that looks stunning in projection as well as in midair, or you choose the water CMY effect to have a cold look. Remember that all of these effects are inside the fixture, and you should be able to use them regardless of any DMX controller that you choose. To learn more about these effects, reference the user guide or visit martin.com. As you can see, the internal effect macros within the Mac Quantum profile give you tons of opportunities and really help you save time. These effect macros are available in the Mac Quantum family, Mac Quantum Profile, Mac Quantum Wash, and in the Mac Aura family, Mac Aura and Mac Aura XP. We would be really happy if you give them a try.